Hello everyone, how are you feeling today? How are you feeling today, Gigi? You okay? Yes, I'm okay. Today is the best day for some stretchy and squishy slime, and it's a really good day to make some slime braids.
Let's do it!
And just play with some slime. Alright. What color is this? Green! Yes, you were right. Let's take out the next one. What color is this? Ugh. Ooh. Ooh. What color is it? Is this red? Yes, it's definitely red. No.
Hello.
Yellow! Yes, you were right. Good job. You look at that. All right. Next one. Oh, look at that. What color is this? Ooh! Pink! Pink! My favorite color.
It's beautiful.
Oh, this is an interesting slime. Let's place it right here. What color is this? Oh, such a nice color. Hello. What color is it? Is this orange? No. Is this gray? No. Is this red? No. Is this blue? Yes, blue. Blue slime. Ew. All right. Oh, and what do we have in here? Look at that. We have two colors. Blue and orange. Blue, orange. Blue, orange. Ugh. Oh my goodness. Isn't this really cool? Let's take them out. Let's take this out. Oh, all right. We had two colors in the same box. So squishy. It's relaxing, you know. I'm telling you, really relaxing. Nice. Orange and blue. And the next one. Oh, I love this combination of colors. Pink, yellow, pink, yellow, pink, yellow. Let's take the pink out. Oh, such a nice pink. Wow. Look at that. Ooh. Pink. And yellow. Ooh, nice. Huh, it looks like foam. It really does. Look at that. Especially these ones and this one too. They look like foam. All right, so let's create some slime braids. Let's see. So first we are going to roll some balls. All right. We have one. Then a pink ball. And a blue one. Let's see. But they need to have the same size, and the yellow one, it's smaller, so we need to add a bit more. Do they have the same size? Almost. A bit of yellow in here. All right, and just a bit of pink in here. Yeah, they look about the same size. And now let's start. I will take the first ball, the pink one, and I shall make a sausage. A sausage made out of slime. I'll do this. I will try to make it as long as possible. We need some long sausages in here, and you will see why. at that, a slime braid. Ooh, it looks so nice. I can wear it as a bracelet. Wow, such an amazing bracelet. And look at these colors. Ooh, nice. Oh, wow. All right, I love this. I shall make another one. Maybe with some thinner sausages and a smaller one. Let's see. I will try. I will choose orange.
Wow!
Woo! Actually, I don't think it's going to be smaller because look at the length of it. Should I try to make it even longer than that? That means a thinner sausage, of course. Let's try. I hope that this won't break. All right. This doesn't look like a sausage anymore. It looks more like a snake. Ooh, look at that. Woo, woo, woo. All right, so let's not break it. I need another color and I will choose the blue one. And maybe the green one? Let's do this. Now some green slime. All right. Let's create this long snake. Wow, look at that. Wow, another bracelet for me. And I love the colors, orange, blue, and green. Wow, look at these beautiful slime braids. They look amazing.
Good job.
All right, so what shall I do next? What about a tower of colors? What do you think? With balls. Ah. Right, first we need to create the base. And this should be the base. All right. And now let's build it. Okay. So squishy. Woo. Woo. Looks like a cake.
Yummy!
Whoa, this is so big. How many layers do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I wonder, will I be able to create a 20 layers tower of slime? So I need 6 more. Let's see if I will manage to do this. 15. All right. Please don't fall. 16. 17. Oh, please don't fall. 18. 19 and 20. Look at that. We have 20 layers. 20 layers of slime. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Look at that. All right. Ooh. Wow, so interesting. Whoa, look at that. Wow, isn't this a really big, colorful snake? Ooh, look at that. Ooh. Oh, wow. All right, let's stick it back together. And what if we mix them up? And let's see what color we have in here. Ugh. Look, slime was. Ugh. So many colors. Whoa. Oh my goodness, so squishy and stretchy. Ugh. Wow. And I love these colors. Look, it looks like lava. Whoa, lava. Oh, wow. Whoa, this is so interesting. I love this slime especially because it's not messy at all, as you can see. And relaxing. Nice. Look at this beautiful color. Look at that. Wow, orange with pink and yellow. It looks really, really, really cool. Look. Wow, very nice. Very, very nice. And these braids. Wow. Awesome. Awesome day today.